Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we'd like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations that are on another level. We're going to be checking out some very bold TikTok hair color transformations. Here we have someone doing the chunky highlight trend. Very bold green mixed with black. And then we have some hot pink coloring being added to some bleached hair. Looks like a bit of green. Oh, very bold, like fantasy hair for this transformation. So pretty. And then we have some type of thermal hair dye being added. So I thought that this was really interesting and cool. I've never seen anything like this before. And you have to obviously sit in the sun in order to get the color to activate. Really cool and fun idea. I do have to wonder though, how safe would that be for your hair? And then we move into another transformation. This one is going to be of a pixie haircut. Nice, fresh, simple pixie. You can never go wrong with a classic pixie. By the way, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, so that you can, of course, stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone else getting a hair color transformation. Oh, wow. This is giving me like Christina Aguilera vibes. So pretty. And then we have another pixie makeover. Beautiful asymmetrical style pixie. This is gorgeous. And then we once again move into something bold with this red and pink. So it looks like she's doing face framing highlights for this one. Oh, so pretty. Such a gorgeous color combination. Wow, look at the stylist just dumping that paint on there. So I guess this is gonna have more of like a pastel look. Oh, that was gorgeous. And then we see someone with long blonde hair. Looks like they're gonna be doing a big chop. Hair is braided. And hair is cut off. And shaven. I wonder why they decided to go do it outside. Brave the shave. I like her shirt. So then we move on to another long to short transformation. Looks like she's getting a bob haircut. Oh, I like the bangs. Very cute. Gorgeous classic bob haircut. So then we see someone with a TWA, tiny afro. Stylist bleached the hair. Oh, she went copper. This is gorgeous. Beautiful copper pixie style. And then we have another pixie. The undercut portion of the hair is being colored with vibrant hair shades. Oh, the entire head is being done. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Kind of like a mohawk pixie style. Even did the eyebrows. And this is one of my favorite short hair influencers. Looks like she's back in the salon. She's always doing something really bold and creative with her hair. Oh, loving this hot pink and blonde combo. Wow, she is just so stunning. I swear she can rock any color. I've seen her do orange, green, rainbow. She just has a lot of fun with her hair. I love it. Okay, so here's another dramatic transformation. Looks like she might be getting a pixie. Oh, wow, she went super shorts. Beautiful choppy layers, shaven sides. So cute, chic, and fun. And now that she has the shorter hair, her cheekbones pop out so much more. She has a really beautiful face. So we have someone else doing a big chop. And she's doing this completely by herself. That's quite brave. Oh, so she rocked the buzz cut and the went blonde. I wish we could have got a little bit of a longer look. And then we have someone else coloring their hair. Looks like they're doing multiple colors. Blue, green, pink, yellow, orange, red. So pretty much the rainbow. Wow, oh my gosh, that was so cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.